Who's blowing smoke? Who's blowing some smoke? Audio man, Canton, Ohio wants to know. Breaka, breaka.
Willie, AKA DRI, Dirty Rotten Imbecile. Willie, Westside Willie, San Andreas Fall. We are the West Coast side of the U.S., no doubt. 745 down around the desert. We're standing by.
Well, I heard on Audio Man ain't got no conditions. Audio man got no conditions around Canton, Ohio. Breaka, breaka, breaka.
Here, man. 444 is coming in here like a bat out of hell, though. But I won't wave my hand around there. 010. Dump truck Willie, your friend, man, standing by in the waiting room, waiting.
What's going on out there, dump truck? Mr. Dump Truck Willie? Audio man out here around the cold white city of Canton, Ohio got down.
Cornbread, just put it in high gear. Cornbread operator 010. Dump truck Willie working the west side, man. Have a good day.
No get back on Dump Truck Willie. I guess I ain't got the conditions to get over there. Ain't no doubt about it. Audio man in this cold, white, snowy city of Canton, Ohio is reading the mail.
Yes, man, we're looking. Alright, 444 to get the back of the bus there. Cornbread. 444 done came through like a movie star there, break.
I heard that I did on 444s out there wiping it out, ain't no doubt. I heard on 444s out there wiping it out, and there ain't no doubt. Audio man got down.
Hey, alright, hey, Cornbread, very impressive, man. You guys are coming in with Cornbread. Yeah, I got you, man. You and 444 are doing the deal out there. It looks like you guys are running the show out there, man. Ain't no doubt about it. Oh, Cornbread, Dump Truck Willie, San Andreas.
Alright, I guess Audio man ain't got the conditions out here around Canton, Ohio right now, so let me go ahead and slide to the side. And I'll probably put this dog on video on the brake side, ain't no doubt. Audio man, Canton, Ohio got down.
I'm working with a Connex 4300-300 and Antron 99, about 3 feet off the roof, man. You guys are screaming over here. Let's go.
I heard that on screaming, man. Ain't no doubt. Well, we're waving a hand out there to you anyway on this old barefoot radio. Audio man, Canton, Ohio got down. Alright, Dump Truck Willie, looks like Audio man can't get over there with these conditions the way they're working right now. Ain't no doubt, Dump Truck Willie, Audio man's back out.